How to enable check-in on Facebook page. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now navigate to the menu page. After you land to the menu page, over here you will find three dots. Click on it. Now you have to switch your account to the Facebook page. So go ahead and click on the Facebook page in which you want to enable check-in. After you open up your Facebook page, now click on the profile picture. For that, you will land to your profile page. Now scrolling down, you're going to find different options. Click on the option of About. Now scroll down. Click on the option of Edit Public Details. Now again scroll down. Here you're going to find the section of Details. At the right corner of it, you will find the option of Edit. Click on it. Now scroll down. Click on this option of Add Service Area. Now from here, you can easily enable check-in. Click on the option of Add Service Area and from here you can add the area. And you can click on Save. Well, this way you can easily enable check-in in Facebook page. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.